All right. Good evening, everybody. It is just about 7 p.m. New York time. Look at that gold here. Kind of a descending channel, but we're holding IB high from earlier this morning. Big wick to the downside on the open. Interested to see what we do here. So we'll keep watch. See if we get some setups. That would be nice. No audio. That's weird. I can see it lighting up. I can see it lighting up. Me talking. Make sure it's unmuting. Hey, hey. Nobody can hear me? So it is very strange. All right, I'll shut it off and we'll start again real quick. Test, test. Now can you hear me? How about now? Can you hear me now? So you guys missed it, unfortunately, but I was short. Well, good. First good trade of the morning is under my belt. More downside possible. It's aggressive. It's aggressive. I think we might bring this to VWAP and beyond. We get to IB low is the question. Probably tighten this up now to like there. Oops. Scale out a little bit. Get back in. Dog. My concern is this. We got VWAP right here, an IB mid. So I think that's going to be the profit target right here. I'm out. All right. I'll wait for the next trade. How did everybody else trade today? How did we trade today, ladies and gents? Do we get a counter rotation here before it continues selling from the VWAP? We can kind of flip long. See something like that. Grabbed one micro at 81. Small size. Nice. We'll take this to 85 maybe. Maybe 84 and a half. Long at 81. Not too shabby. 326 now. Hey, Chug says, got my first funded account today trading solely the VWAP Wave System. Took about a month. Tried to rarely go over 4 micros. Only had 2 days of like degenerate rule breaking. That's pretty good. Should have probably not been trading based on how I was feeling and some life circumstances, in all honesty. Hey, life happens. Kept decent setups and the most collected I've been through an eval. Congratulations. Enjoy that funded account. Let's get that payout. Let's take it to the next step now. Man, that was a good profit location, huh, guys? Look at that. I didn't expect that much of a move up, but not too shabby. Let's see what's next. Yep, I expected it to go right up to about there. Let's see what happens down at VWAP now. Indexes are slowly bleeding out, so that's good. That helps our gold case. Still like it short here. If we're going to get continuation, this is kind of the short spot. Can we at least get to VWAP, right? I mean, who's with me? Who is with me? JP's with me. So I'll reposition back up here. And we'll see if we get some more downside. And Q and ES are dumping, so I'm missing that. That's not fun. Yeah, I can see. I would imagine. I wish I was an NQ short, not gold short. All right, so position here, 85. I'll give it something like this. Something above VWAP. A lot of ticks. It's 100 ticks, 97. It's about a $400 loser. It's about giving up all my profits if it doesn't work from these two trades. Wow, NQ got bought up. Let's see what happens. Come on, gold sellers. Hey, Fredo, how are you? Fredo, how you been? It's been a while. Feel like we're always missing you. Send me a DM, Gavo. It's been a slow grind up here on gold. Buyers. Get down there. Would you look at it? Anybody saw my story today on Instagram? We quoted that. Only down about $100 here, so we'll see what happens. This level can hold. We can stay in the initial balance. I would like to see us get to the VWAP or the other side of initial balance. So, but the buyers have been relentless now since pretty much since 9:07. It's been 10 minutes. It turned over 10 minutes ago. But I'm going to let the levels play out. This could have very well been the VWAP bounce. I was hoping we'd go lower, but back to Globex VWAP. Let's see if it holds. There's some sellers. They bounce off the midline on the RSI. Yeah, where's the help? Where are the duckers? Calling all duckers. Hop into your cash account. Start hitting the bid, JP. Hard. Come on, gold doesn't want to join the party here. You're always saying that, JP. Maybe you should hold. You're always wishing you would have held. All right, I'm back in the green. Now let's go. It's so annoying. I hate it when it does that. Base hits pay the bills. God damn it. I'm in gold and it's not doing anything and the NQ is just dumping. It's so annoying. I'm perturbed. You can always see the product here on Trade of 8. BC. Brian. It's on the price line. It's right here. There we go. Come on. To Hades we go. Nope. Yep. You would have had it gotten in at the PDC up here. Would have had about 30 points. I feel like when it cracks, it's going to crack good, guys. Couple of times. Oh, so we're not waiting for setups anymore, are we? All right, as long as it's working for you, Lager, that's all that matters. But if we do the same things, we don't get, and we'll keep getting the same results. Come on now. Let's go. I'm so tempted to just close it for a couple of ticks profit here, and I feel like as soon as I do so, it's going to tank. So I'm just sitting here whispering to myself to let the trade work. Just let the trade work. Stop babysitting it. Even better, we bounce off the VWAP again. We should revisit those lows. Australian unemployment. Less than forecast. That was a nice wick. This is funny. Yep, and just so you guys know, you can always see the contract over here on the price line. It's always right there. Oh, this trade is something else. So we had a exhaustion candle here. Can't seem to break this 85 level and stay beneath it. Let's go. Come on. I've been waiting 25 minutes for this trade to work. It's a long time for me. Yeah, Assassin, it could very well work. We are coming off this composite LVN. That's a higher time frame level, and we got an exhaustion candle. So, I don't know. On NQ anyway, I'm not watching. I'm sick of this gold trade now. Getting sick of it. I love fun facts. Back up to the IB high here in gold. Some sellers. Come on now. Wait, I'm ready for my close-up. So, funny story. Log, are you still there? There's somebody in the YouTube saying that they're in the warrior trading currently community, and he's been begging them to start a futures room, and apparently they mentioned my name and it gets immediately blocked, like moderated. Like no one's allowed to say my name in warrior trading. My name is banned. That's what they're saying. I mean, I would see why. He doesn't want people leaving, obviously. Now, he was upset that I left. He was actually really upset. I mean, it was good terms otherwise. There was no reason to be on bad terms. He just didn't like the fact that I was leaving. I didn't want to trade small caps anymore. Interesting. Wow. Can't seem to break 85. It keeps threatening to come up through VWAP. So we've been here before. Oh, you see this cat behind me? Behind my head? This is Fig. I live in a menagerie. She's sitting on the very tippy top of my chair, which is like maybe 2 inches wide. There she goes, right? She's going to jump to my table. There's stuff in the way of my table. Now she might do it. Still in it. Still in it to win it. Can't break above VWAP. Well, this trade has just dominated the entire Asia session for me. Oh, look at that PDC off of the exhaustion candle. You see that, Assassin? I did add a little bit up here. So my average price is a little better now. It's actually 87.3. So I'm in the green pretty nicely right here, actually. But I didn't change it for this. We'll leave this long short up here. See what we get. Got a couple orders down here, back at my entry area. Take a little risk off. Position me better. And then see if we can ride it back down. That would be nice. Oh, that one got filled. You didn't miss much. I've been in this trade for 40 minutes, Tim. I caught this short off the VWAP. As soon as I came on stream, I was in this position. I caught the bounce. I covered it almost perfectly. I went long, and then I went short again. And I've been in this one ever since. Oh, sorry. I wasn't showing the right screen. So I was short at VWAP here. Took it almost down to the bottom. Beautiful trade. Went long. Caught a little bit of the bounce. Missed all of this. But I went short at the band. Thinking we were going to come back down and test the VWAP area or a little lower. Hasn't happened yet. But I did put my stop all the way above VWAP, and that's protected the position so far. And now I'm up nice now. Let's go. Been waiting for you. Where have you been? All right, I still got 2 left. See if we can get down to that VWAP. What do you think, JP? You still holding it with me? Or are you chicken out? All due respect. I'm going to take one more off, and I'm going to hold one as a runner. I really think we should go back to 78. It's the point of control in this distribution that we formed today. It's the VWAP. It's just, it needs to be touched. Needs to be. It has to test. It has to. We got 53 people in the Discord and 71 people on the YouTube. It's 120, 130 people for Asia. That's new. Asia's finally picking up. People are getting the joke. We get good trades here. Goes. Come on now. So I've been having trouble deciding the title of the next book. I have two ideas. From gambler to trader. The other one is killing the gambler. What do you guys like? Okay. Avto likes killing. I thought it was emotional. I was going for provocative. Well, not true. Well, all right. Everybody's got mixed opinions, but here we go on gold. Come on now. Here we go. Oh, perfect. There's the touch. Actually filled my order right there. So I am out. And there it was, ladies and gentlemen. Jar, that's a good idea. Anybody take that gold trade? Anybody sit through that long ass gold trade with me? Anybody? All right. All right, JP. Thanks for joining us. Yeah, right to that VWAP. If we break it, we could go much lower. We might revisit this high below. Would be the next stop. Right to the tick. Excellent trade. Right to the tick. Does it break? Bet it does. So far, this has been some nice downtrending. Zoop, 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 zoop. Oh, man, I covered that one perfectly. Almost back up. You guys on YouTube had the chance. You probably got a better price than me with your 2-minute delay. That's a long one, Tyler. But also, it did sell off. I can't believe it came all the way back like that on NQ. That was unexpected. Went right to the same level. I mean, you could have sat in this trade for 3 hours if you shorted at 10, right up here at IB high. Drawdown wasn't, I mean, it wasn't good, but it wasn't awful either. That right off the VWAP there on NQ. That exhaustion candle right there, anchored VWAP. We got a PDC, and then we got a VWAP bounce. Joop, joop. Comes gold. It's going to break that VWAP. If it does, next stop could be IB low. I would say we go to 75, then 70. So round numbers, but there's a little bit of a divot here in the profile at 75. Then we have the IB low. All right, we'll see what happens here in Tokyo, and then we'll call it a night for me. And I'll be back at it tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. We'll see what happens at the 2-minute mark. But I took 3 trades. 3 trades on this stream. Short, long, short. This one was super accurate, no heat. This one was also pretty accurate, barely any heat. This one I sat in for a while. No real terrible heat, but just kind of sideways for half an hour. And then it worked. Gave it a decent stop above the VWAP. I figured if it was going to hold below VWAP, that would be important for a continuation to the downside, and that's exactly what happened. We did test it twice. All right, 10 seconds. Tokyo flush of that VWAP. What do you guys think? Ding, ding, ding. Tokyo Thunder or Tokyo Flush? Okay, well. There's lots of buying, but it's not moving anywhere, which is very interesting. Passive sellers here. Thinking we go down. Well, I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. Thanks for joining me for the Asia stream. We'll be back at it for the New York Open tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. If you guys do want to keep on trading, you could head on over to the voice channels, share your mics, share your screens, collaborate with your fellow VWAP Wave System traders. You can also practice, be in a simulator. We had 3 good trades tonight, and we'll see what we get tomorrow. You guys liking these long short tools? I might do this on the New York stream as well, so you guys can get a better idea of positions and trades and stuff like that. All right, guys, have a wonderful night. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys in the morning. Have a great day. Okay, awesome.